Live from San Diego, this is the Fox 5 Morning News at 9.
It's time to eat, everybody. The weather will be perfect this weekend for an outdoor barbecue. I love how I say that when it's all cloudy and misty right now. We just moved our cover. Anyway, it will be. Here to spice it up, if you will, on the grill, Debbie Kornberg, our good friend with Spice and Leaf. Good morning, Debbie. So nice to have you here.
Thank you. Good
because
morning.
Because when you're in person, it means I get to eat.
That's right.
And it means Shali asked me to bring her food. All of that has happened. Okay, so you're showing a grilled chicken shawarma.
Yes.
Skewers, talk to me.
Okay, so we'll talk a little bit about shawarma. It originates actually from Turkey, I believe.
I love shawarma, by the way.
It's so good.
Who does? I mean, it's delicious.
So good. Traditionally done with lamb or beef, but we're going with chicken.
Okay.
Traditionally, it's on a spit rotating, and you kind of slice it off.
Yeah, yeah.
But we put it on skewers.
Is shawarma the seasoning?
So it is the seasoning, and it's the notion of being on a spit and rotating.
Okay.
So this is the spices. Give it a smell if you
Let
want.
me see.
Yeah. So turmeric,
Whoa.
coriander, cumin, all that good stuff mixed in,
That's
and then
amazing.
I like to chop up the chicken and let
Okay.
it sit overnight with the spices, but you don't have to.
Okay.
It just like really infuses in the flavor.
Wonderful.
Put on some skewers, throw it on the grill,
Perfect.
and
Simple.
Simple.
I mean, I might be able to do this even.
You could.
Okay.
And, you know, for vegetarians, if they don't want to use chicken, they can use chicken.
Chicken, or whatever it's called. I forgot to ask, like, when you're putting this, I know it's to taste, but what's the proper amount when you're putting on the seasoning on? Because sometimes people like just cover it and stuff, and others just kind of boop, 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 boop.
I'm not a boop, boop, boop.
You're a boom, boom, boom.
Yeah.
Gotcha.
I'm like a full tablespoon for
Yes,
a pound
I'm a boom, boom,
of
boom.
chicken.
Like,
yeah.
get it all covered
That's
up,
it.
get that flavor out
And
there.
a little salt to bring out the flavor.
Okay.
Don't forget the salt.
And so, you know, it's normally with lamb, but chicken's great, or whatever you want to use. Veggies, obviously, we have some green peppers, onions. I love it.
Yeah. So I have what's here is a cabbage salad. It's just with some white distilled vinegar,
Very good.
olive oil and salt, but it needs some spices.
Woo.
So this is
wait a
Aleppo
minute.
pepper.
Wait a minute.
You can bam it, or you could use a spoon.
Now, we just talked about how much of this I should be doing, right?
Yeah.
Here we go.
Dude.
How's that?
No. Yeah.
No.
A little more.
No. I want to dump the whole thing in there.
No, don't do that.
Don't. See, I'm glad you said that because I was very close.
Okay.
Okay, that's enough. Okay.
Okay, because we're going to add, that was Aleppo pepper.
Okay,
It's
so
got
we're
a
doing,
little heat.
all right.
And this is sumac, so it's going to add some acidity.
Ooh.
And
Sumac.
Sumac, really good for
right.
you. High in antioxidants. Yep.
Good.
Oh, can go a little more. We'll mix it in there.
More.
Yeah.
All right.
Okay, good.
Boom.
Perfect.
Okay.
So we've got this all seasoned up. I did already add salt.
I did wash my hands, by the way, before we started doing this. Just in case.
Okay.
All right.
So what we're going to do now is build a pita bread.
Ooh. I will grab a piece of pita bread.
Gently open it. Don't use that one. It's already cracked on the bottom.
Oh,
use that one. You don't want it to like already fall apart.
Open the.
Pop it open, yeah. And then just
a
like,
little bit like that.
here,
Oh,
should we do it together?
Yeah.
Let's do it together.
Okay, look.
That way. There you go.
Okay,
So yeah, we got a nice little pop.
There you go.
And you can go ahead and we'll put some
There you go. Ooh.
hummus.
What?
Actually, we're going to start with the hummus. Take some and just spread it around.
I like how you say it, because is it not hummus?
You know, it's like potato.
Hummus.
Hummus. I guess you can go ahead and take your spoon.
I like the hummus. Can I put a lot?
Yeah. And it's got some olive oil, za'atar, and paprika on there.
Okay.
And you can just smear it. That's another technical
Schmear.
Mine already broke.
Schmear.
Might
So
be
far, I've said shawarma, schmear, and hummus.
hummus.
Oh, what?
Hummus.
I can't do that.
All right. There you go.
Get out of here. I gotta know how to do that. Okay, here we go.
Chicken.
Boom. Chicken? Like how many? Well, you know.
You're going to want probably all of it. I better
One.
take some more off the skewers.
Yeah.
Because you're going to use all
Shali
of
has
that.
requested some of this chicken, but I'm pretty sure if I know her, she probably doesn't want the pita bread because it's probably,
Right.
you know, whatever. I don't know what that
You
means.
can go ahead and add some of the
All right.
cabbage salad in there.
Cabbage salad. Here we
Yeah.
go. Ready?
Yeah. So that's just cabbage salad's going to add some nice
add
bread.
the veggies?
Optional.
I forgot. Okay.
What I like to put on top is actually some of those pickles. They're brined
little
and they're
pickles.
really good. And
There's
I
a
owe you an
pickle?
apology because I do not have tahini. Which
How
was,
dare you!
I know. It's
How
like
dare you!
it is a missing ingredient.
Wait, you are the queen of spice and you did not bring.
I forgot it.
I wouldn't
I'm
have
sorry.
known. I wouldn't have known if
I
you
know,
didn't say it.
but for all the people out there that do, they'll be like, Where's the tahini?
Yeah, she knows. She just forgot.
I
Leave
just
her
forgot
alone.
it. Okay.
Good. Very
Okay.
nice. Are we
Clear
done?
that up. Yeah.
Now we eat.
Yeah.
Ready?
Yeah.
I may drop these pickles though. I'm gonna hold the 2 pickles while I
Okay.
bite the
Here,
third
I
pickle.
don't have one.
Okay.
There.
Here we
Okay,
go.
you ready? 1, 2, 3.
Oh my god.
Mhm.
Oh my god.
Mhm. Yeah, it's good.
Oh my god. Woo! I'll leave you hanging, man. There you go.
Boom.
Ow. Oh.
Boom.
Ow.
So good, Charlie. It's on the way. It's coming to you.
What is on the way for her exactly?
Oh,
Don't give her too much.
we also have an eggplant grilling. We can make a little baba ganoush here.
Does Charlie want baba ganoush or does she want some chicken?
Chicken.
The
Probably
chicken.
probably not the eggplant,
But
if I were to guess.
You know me well, Raul. After 13 years.
You don't want the pita.
Yeah, you know me well.
I know. You want this, she wants that.
I want the veggies, and I want the chicken, and then I just say bye-bye to the bread.
If I may, this pickle thing
Yeah.
really makes it because, oh my God, there's that little something,
Pop.
something. Oh my
It's
God.
a pop of acid
Yes.
and brine, and it just like makes the dish complete. Honestly, when I roast cauliflower and I put tahini on top, when I don't forget it, I always add the pickles.
I
So good to
love
see you,
it.
Raul.
Oh, man, so good to see you too. I'm so happy when I'm fed.
There you go.
Charlie, I will get you the chicken. Debbie
I heart you.
is the
Thank
best.
You.
All her recipes on our website, fox5sandiego.com. Click the Scene On tab.
Amazon, available on Amazon.
You're kidding, really?
Oh yeah, for almost 2 years.
I knew that.
Yeah.
I'm trying to,
Yeah.
Really? Come on, play along.
Amazon. Amazon.
This is fantastic. If you
There
don't
you
have
go.
these spices, forget about you.
Prime.
And we're not going to forget the what next time?
Tahini.
Okay. Debbie, thank you.
Thank you,
We
Raul.
appreciate you looking.